The most comfortable diaper any baby can wear.
If you're having trouble breastfeeding, try these few tips.
Hello, you've reached Neil. I'm not at my desk right now, but please leave a message after the beep.
Hey, honey. I was just wondering if you may be free around 3 to have sex?
This is now our love life. Scheduled encounters.
You know what, Neil? I had a window.
It's like all you care about is my sperm.
No, but I had a window.
Bye, hon.
Don't forget the dry cleaning.
Just relax. It might happen if we stop thinking about it.
I think we need to talk. To a fertility specialist.